This is just some random bill or something that was in the bag. Oh, and this is actually a 512GB SanDisk micro SD that I had laying around. I bought another SD card just for the adapter. And I bought the adapter for this camera, because I didn't want to buy another SD card. The camera is like 200 KD. Well, actually, thanks to a discount, I ended up paying 190 in the end. But it's still a lot when you think about it. Anyways, with that out of the way, here we have the Sony zv-1m2. I wanted a TZ99 from Panasonic, but the place I went to didn't have one. Sad. Anyways, made for iPhone and iPad. Hang on, something's missing. Where's the Android? It's a Sony.
It's a Sony.
Well, yeah, it's a Sony, because they didn't sell any Panasonic cameras in AAB World, so I had to make another choice for which camera I wanted. But it wasn't really easy, until I saw this camera in the Sony booth, so I figured it would be good for me, because it's a point and shoot, which was what I wanted. What, you think I only like this because it's a point and shoot? No. I mean, I just wanted a point and shoot camera, I guess, because a point and shoot is the smallest and easiest one to carry around. I might also use this for my videos. I'll be honest, this box kinda looks like a refurbished camera box, even though this one's supposed to be brand new. And you wanna know the best part about the box? They don't put any tape or sealing that you have to cut through. That was 8 booklets, by the way. Please read the startup guide. I wonder... I might read the guide if it's really important. By the way, this is all the guides laid out. Anyways, I'm not gonna go through the guides at the moment, so moving on. Ah, such beauty. You know me, of course I'm gonna choose English. No, I don't want to connect right now. I'll do this and I'll come back. Oh, and English so I don't get confused. I don't know how this helps, but sure. And here we go. Great. My phone overheated, which means it had to stop the recording. Anyways, I'll just do like a test pic real quick. Turns out this button changes for the options. Alright, let's just take a photo. Cool. Alright, now I'll do a test video real quick. Alright, so testing on the Sony camera that I just got. Whoa, why does it zoom so slow in videos? I wanted to play back the video footage, but before I could even show it on camera, it gave me a message that said battery exhausted. Apparently I can still turn it on though. Alright, let's try again. Alright, so testing on... Ah, damn it. See, there's that message. Battery exhausted. Oh well. Oh well. Well, I guess that's the end. I'll probably go charge it now, but it's supposed to be brand new, so I'm kinda surprised that the battery is not fully charged. Not a bad camera, I guess. I just hope it's worth it because I spent so much. And I might take more photos and videos on this than I do on my phone. So thank you for watching and bye.